So what's your favorite memory?
What, favorite memory of all time?
Of us.
Your turn.
We were working at the bar. I think we've been seeing each other for about a month. You'd just gotten off and left the building. I watched you walk across the parking lot.
So you ran outside, took off your hat,
I grabbed you.
and you kissed me. And then you turned around and just walked away.
You were always there like a ghost haunting any relationship after you. You get close, you cut me off, you push me away.
You haven't seen me in 7 years. You don't know me.